Sander, you stay over in that side. Come here and say hi. Let's say hi, Sander. Me and Sander, we're recording outside kasi may snowstorm dito sa amin. Sander, give me the kabo right now, over there. Give that to mommy. Give that. Sander, give the kabo to mommy. Because you know what I'm gonna do with this? Mommy's gonna do this. It's this, oh? God! What I do? Well, you know what? In this side. In this side. In this side. You know what I'm gonna do with this, Hunter? I'm gonna do this to you.
No!
Stop it! Not too much. Look at this, Sandra. 1, 2, 3. We have a snowstorm here. Snowstorm. This is our snowstorm here. Sander, what did you eat snow? Let me see your face.
Yes, I did.
Oh no.
People eat snow. They make ice cream out of it. Ice cream made out of snow.
Itong bata ito. Did you try to eat snow?
Yeah, I did.
What it taste? What it taste?
Ice cream.
It tastes ice cream? Did you try to taste it? Kasi ngayong araw pa, today pala guys, walang pasok si Sander kasi maano kasi ang weather kasi ngayon eh. Kauna-unahang na ganito ang weather ngayon. Kaya ngayon ang mga bata dito, na-cancel ang school nila. Kaya nandito kami sa labas. Bas, naglalaro kami ng snow dito. Kasi dahil sa weather ngayon. What are you doing? Are you tasting the snow? Let's go try to taste the snow together, okay? Okay, let's go taste it.
Let's taste it here, Mommy.
Okay. I don't think that's a good side. Maybe we could, Sander, not that side. This over that side. Cause there's car parked there all the time. Maybe we're gonna find a good spot. Or maybe here. Maybe in that part. Okay? That part. In that part, cause I think that's cleaner here. If you're gonna try to taste that over there, just don't step on it, because if you step on it, it's gonna be dirty. Okay? Just sit down in there and wait me.
I first the black stick.
Because I'm getting my my stick, my stand stick to record. Oh, okay, let's go. Let's go in this side. Let's gonna taste it in here.
What?
This should be in this side.
Yeah.
Let's taste it here.
Here, already.
Okay, just a little bit. Just only a little bit. taste? What did you think it is? The taste?
Ice.
Taste ice. Not too much, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little. This is not. That's not ice cream. Only a little bit, because you might get sick. Just taste it only a little bit. No, parang ano. No.
What's this
But
now?
just a little bit. Just taste a little bit. Oh, now you're tasting it again. And look at your nose. You have a runny nose now. But did you enjoy today that we did this and you get to play with the snow and you get to taste it, but not only a little bit. Only taste it a little bit. And now we're gonna make a snowman.
Yeah.
My hand is really cold right now.
Mommy, did you know Christmas and Jesus' birthday?
Yes. But your hand, you got
Crystal hand.
crystal hand. Okay, we're gonna make a snowman, snowballs. Because mommy's hand is really cold. And stop eating now because you might get sick if you eat a lot.
And then we pull out the grass.
Yeah. But you had fun. You have fun.